What's going on, everybody? I have something to show you. I travel a lot for work. Over the years, with me traveling all the time, I have accumulated a lot of rewards points, and I have stayed many nights. I just wanted to show you this room that I got. It's a king size suite. Because of my status, I got to stay in this room. They upgraded me. Bathroom number 1. Note the 2 queen size beds. Note that it has a second room. Ooh-wee. Excuse the mess. This is bathroom number 2. So I have a king size suite for the week. I just wanted to share that. I think it's kind of cool, especially with all the years that I've been traveling. I have acquired a lot of points, and I finally upgraded, and I'm up in the elite status. I don't know, I just wanted to share this experience. See you on the next one.